Do you like these animals? These animals are farm animals. Do you want to go learn about the sounds that they make? Me too! Let's go! Did you hear that? That sounded like a moo to me. What animal says moo? That's right, it's a cow. And look, that cow has a baby. A little baby cow is called a calf. Goodbye, cow. Now what noise was that? I think that was a baa. Do you know what animal makes a baa noise? That's right, it's a sheep. And look, these sheep have babies with them too. Baby sheeps are called lambs. Bye bye, sheep. That noise was a bit of a hard one. What noise do you think that was? It was an oink. Do you know what animal says oink? That's right, it's a pig. These little pigs are just babies. A baby pig is called a piglet. Bye bye, pigs. Did you hear that clucking noise? Do you know what animal makes a cluck sound? A chicken. Oh look, that chicken has babies. A baby chicken is called a chick. Bye bye, chicken. Do you know what animal says cock-a-doodle-doo? A rooster. Bye bye, rooster. Do you know what animal makes a ma sound? A goat. And did you know that a baby goat has a funny name? A baby goat is called a kid, just like a young person. How funny. Bye bye, goat. Woof woof. Do you know what animal says woof? It's a dog. Did you know that you find a dog on a farm? They help the farmer move all the livestock around. Bye bye, dog. That sound was a neigh. Do you know what animal makes a neigh sound? A horse. Goodbye, horse. That sounded like a hee-haw. What animal says hee-haw? A donkey. Did you know that baby donkeys are called foals, just like baby horses? Bye bye, donkey. Quack, quack, quack. Which animal was that said quack? It was a duck. Did you know that a baby duck is called a duckling? Bye bye, duck. If you love learning about animals, please ask a grown-up to help you subscribe. See you next time.